Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small, the owner of CMS Law Firm, and this is Building My $10 Million Law Firm. It is July 11th, 2023, Tuesday, and feeling good. Got a good night's sleep, had a good day. Didn't go to the, okay, so I'm just going to ramble on these sometimes. I didn't go to the gym today. I've been very hit and miss with the gym lately. When I go to the gym, I feel better in the morning. I would encourage you, if you are in a rut or if you're having trouble, things just aren't feeling right, try to get some exercise. Okay, it doesn't have to be crazy hard. You don't have to throw a bunch of weight around or anything like that. Try to get to the gym because it does make a difference. It will make you feel better. It's a stress reducer. And I know that when I go to the gym, I always just feel better. So give that a shot if you're having trouble. I did not make it to the gym today. I slept in. I was lazy, and that's okay. I did get a full day working. It was great. I had my weekly podcast with my boy Keen. Heard a crazy story about him getting basically attempted robbery on against him or on him. Somebody tried to rob him in a Burger King drive-through, nevertheless, and it's a crazy story. I've got another podcast that I do with him. It's called The Business Barbershop, and go check it out if you're curious. It's business based. We talk a lot about real estate. We talk a lot about investing, but we also talk a lot about mindset. We talk a lot about business, building business. So if you want more of me, go there. We only release those once a week. They're like an hour long. Sometimes they're interesting, sometimes they're not, but they are fun, and I do them pretty much every Tuesday. So I did that. Got a lot of work done. So one of I have this tendency to avoid doing the legal work. I really love the business side of things. I am working really hard to grow this business, so I'm doing a lot with training, with hiring, with systems, with all that kind of stuff. And I tend to sort of push off the legal work from time to time. So I was really focused today on getting a lot of that stuff out the door, on getting caught back up. Part of the reason I want to do this, by the way, is because as much as I am training and trying to set an example for the team, when I am dropping the ball, when I am not following the system, it makes the system less reliable. It makes other people want to follow the system less. And so I need to set the example at all times. And that is what this is. So, moving forward, I'm not going to make any excuses. I'm not going to let myself really just be lazy. I'm going to push through. I'm going to set the standard for the way that we do work, for the way that we utilize our systems, so that everybody can benefit from that, including our clients. So we're doing that. I did something else weird today too. That is interesting. I was also, this is a bunch of different things I did today. I was on a podcast, not a podcast. It was sort of like a panel with a tax professional, with a financial planner, and with an insurance professional. And we just did sort of like a roundtable on asset protection, on risk mitigation, on different things like that. That was cool. The people that are on the panel, the guy that hosted the panel, are in my coaching group that I'm a part of, that I'm a member of. It's called Apex. And one of the things that I've been talking about doing for a long time is getting my Texas license. Part of my plan for growth involves having and doing some business in Texas. It's very selfish why I want to do this. I want to have a place that I can go when it's dark and cold here in Seattle to hang out. And I like Texas. I think Texas is cool. And so part of that is me getting my license in Texas. There are a lot of people in my group that are in Texas, and so there's some synergy there. Brooks' family lives in Texas, and so there's some synergy there. It gives us an excuse to get down there. And today I started that process of getting my license down there. They have reciprocity, which is nice. I have to just jump through a tremendous number of hoops to do this, and I started jumping through the hoops. So we're gonna get that done. My goal is to get that done by the end of the year, and just be ready to really crush. The funny thing is, when you start building momentum, when you start taking action, when you start moving forward, it feels good, and you want to do it some more. So we have a lot of things going on. My new second customer service specialist is starting tomorrow, so we're going to be really diving in. I'm going to be diving in, training them, getting them up to speed, and ready so that they can handle those jobs. That'll also open up some bandwidth for just everything else that we want to do in the office, and it's gonna be awesome. So that's it for today. I think big day, full day, ready to come back tomorrow. TCB. All right, that's it. See ya.